Want to know how to equalize your audio in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get right into it. So first up, import any track that you like and launch Audacity. Now, double-click to select the entire track, and then go to Effects. Now go to EQ and Filters, and then select Graphic EQ. Now here, you can see the sliders. So you can manually boost or cut the slider. Pushing the slider up boosts it, and pushing the slider down cuts it. So you can do it accordingly as per your need. Once you're done, just simply click apply. Right, and that's it. Your equalizers and effects will be added and your audio will be equalized. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos.